So after a really long delay, I was able to finally get my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yeah, so Apple actually messed up my order. I ordered it on the website. I was meant to collect it on launch day, but for some reason it never came. I was on the phone with Apple customer service for like an hour yesterday. So basically I canceled that order and just had to make another order to pick it up. So I need them to really give me that refund ASAP. Other than that, let's get on to the unboxing. I will also be unboxing a Totallee case and a screen protector. And obviously this isn't a sponsored video, obviously. This is just literally, I bought this off my own back. So yeah, so let's check those out and I'll tell you what I think. Okay, so iPhone 12 Pro Max, 128 gig. I never get the big ones. I don't know. I don't need that space. So let's take a look. Cool. I feel like I've been in so many unboxings. Like this is just it feels so standard now. Okay, so you know everybody likes this moment, right? Cool. I think it looks pretty good. You know, it took about 2 seconds to get fingerprints on it, but I like how it feels. So here is the 11 Pro Max. So if we just have a little size comparison. So you can see that it's definitely bigger. If you see, you can definitely see it's bigger, which actually is even bigger than it looks. Because wait 1 second, I have a case on this, so you know, you can definitely see there's a size difference here. It's about what they say, right? So it was 6.5, 6.7. So yeah, makes sense. So let's continue. So normal things, again, no charger, like we all know now. What's weird though is I don't even have the plug for this. That's what I don't get about Apple. I don't have a plug to actually work this. I mean, I use wireless charger now anyway, but it's kind of stupid. You know, I don't think I ever look at this stuff. So yeah, that's the unboxing experience. It's very short and very sweet. But let me get the cases. So now I haven't even opened this. I actually got this like a few days ago, but I wanted to unbox it with my iPhone 12. So this is the Totallee. It's going to be the frosted case. They're giving me offers, but there's no way I'm shipping something from the US again. Royal Mail charged me £8 for a holding fee. It's a decent, slim and minimal phone case. Like I said, this isn't sponsored or anything. I just liked the case when I saw it because I kind of like that minimal vibe. Wow. I have to be honest, this is very thin, like really thin. Like this isn't gonna protect cracks and all that. This is like super, I mean, borderline cheap feeling, to be honest. But let's see how it looks on the phone. Quality control, I don't know. Let's see how it looks on the phone anyway. Sheesh. A bit of a struggle to get it on. Uh-oh. Okay, that's one side. Oh crap, I think I'm messing it up. Oh crap. See the crease on there? Oh crap. Ooh. So I've already creased it. It's not very robust. Okay, try this again. Oh wow, it's barely fitting. Am I doing something wrong? Okay, that's two sides. We did that before. I swear this. Okay, that's the third side. But this is the problem side. The side that's already bent in. Oh my goodness. Sorry I'm doing this off camera. I was just trying to. Oh, this is terrible. All I've managed to do at the moment is mess up the case. I mean, if you thought this was like a secret sponsored video, it definitely ain't. Man. Oh, this is. I don't think it fits. Like legit, I don't think it fits. Because this side is not going in. Let me try this. All right. See, there's always one corner that doesn't quite want to. Okay, here we go. It's going in.
Hell yeah!
Wow, that was a real struggle. And I've already messed this side up, which isn't ideal. Man, I got this from the US as well. I thought, oh, it's gonna be cool. I'm not sure. Now there's this little mark on the side. See that? Right there. Anyway, it looks cool though. It's minimal like I wanted it to be. I thought the Apple logo would show through. For some reason it's not. Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed, I have to admit. Anyway, what else is in here? So, I got a screen protector and then they gave me another one free. Hopefully the screen protector is better quality. Oh man. Maybe, look, maybe it's just me. So maybe tell me in the comments, did I do something wrong? I've just got like a little mark on it now. So, alcohol. Yeah, pretty standard stuff. Okay, so there one has like a little black thing on the side, which, you know, I guess makes sense, because where's my other one? Because this one doesn't, and you know, you can kind of see the edge. So yeah, we'll see how that looks later on when I put this on. But yeah, that's the video. If you guys want to tell me if I did anything wrong putting this thing in, maybe I was just too excited, but this little thing here, I don't know, let me see. I've like creased it. Yeah, it's a bit disappointing. It's also disappointing you can't see the Apple logo anymore. Because I sworn on the images on their website you could see it. The road to 1,000 continues. Trying to get 1,000 subscribers by Christmas or by the new year. So I'd really appreciate if you subscribed. And if you like this video, like the video. And there will be more videos to come.